Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best screen cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial accessories for your iPhone. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of iPhone screen cleaners, testing various products to find the one that truly shines. We'll explore what makes a great screen cleaner, from its ability to remove smudges and fingerprints to its safety for your device's delicate screen. Get ready to discover the ultimate solution to keep your iPhone screen pristine. Number 5. Screen Mom Screen Cleaner Spray and Microfiber Cloth. This screen cleaner uses an advanced formula to leave screens looking brand new. Unlike other cleaners, it ensures spotless clarity and enhances your viewing experience. Each spray works efficiently without leaving any residue. The included microfiber cloth is designed to protect delicate screens. It glides smoothly, preventing scratches or abrasions. This makes it ideal for all your devices, from TVs to smartphones. This cleaner is free from alcohol and ammonia, making it safe for all types of screens. It's perfect for homes and workplaces with many screens. You can use it with confidence on all your electronics. The large 16-ounce bottle provides hundreds of sprays, offering great value. One bottle lasts a long time, saving you money. It ensures your screens stay pristine in high-traffic environments. This screen cleaner works on a wide range of screens, including HD TVs, smartphones, and car displays. It delivers professional-grade results on every surface. It safely tackles fingerprints and smudges without causing any damage. What we like. This product boasts a streak-free formula, ensuring crystal-clear screens every time. It also includes a scratch-free microfiber cloth, protecting your delicate devices. If you have a lot of screens at home or work, or you are looking for a long-lasting solution, this is the perfect choice for you. It offers great value with its large bottle and efficient cleaning. What people say. The microfiber cloth is soft and sturdy but doesn't scratch or leave lint behind. This product arrived today and I went to work on it. When I paid my TV flat, the streaks were nasty. I'm pretty sure over the years I used Windex or maybe other cleaning products. I should have taken a before and after picture because the difference was amazing. I like the fact that it comes with its own cleaning cloth which is gentle on all surfaces. Number 4. EVEO Screen Cleaner Kit for TV, Laptop, and more. Tired of smudges on your screens? This is your new best friend. It's perfect for TVs, laptops, tablets, and more, easily removing dust and fingerprints. This cleaner is safe for all screen types, including LCD, LED, and OLED. You can use it on screens from major brands like LG, Samsung, and many others. It's designed to be gentle yet effective. The kit includes a super soft microfiber cloth. It's specially designed to leave your screen streak-free. The cloth effectively absorbs stains without shedding any fibers. The EVEO Screen Cleaning Kit is simple to use. Just attach the sprayer, spray the cleaning liquid onto the cloth, and wipe the screen. It's a quick and easy solution. Enjoy a convenient screen cleaning experience anytime, anywhere. Your satisfaction is our priority. This kit is a great choice for keeping your screens clean and clear. What we like. This screen cleaner is gentle on all types of screens, making it a versatile choice. It's also incredibly easy to use, ensuring a quick and effective clean. If you're looking for a simple, all-in-one solution for your various devices, this is the one. It will leave your screen spotless without any streaks. What people say. This is the best screen cleaner money can buy. I have been using it for years. There is little to no smell. Not a single streak is left when you use it with a microfiber towel. Its functionality is impressive, I use it on every single one of my devices. Easy to clean and makes my screen look like new. I love that it comes with a microfiber cloth, it's super handy and works great. All you need to do is spray the solution on the cloth and wipe your screen lens with it. The product can be sprayed directly on the screen and wiped clean with the cloth included with the spray. No streaking and a shiny new-like screen is amazing. Number 3. WHOOSH Screen Shine Duo Screen Cleaner. This screen cleaner is designed to clean without compromise. It's safe for every screen and coating, from glossy iPads to anti-glare MacBooks. It won't damage sensitive surfaces or protective films. Say goodbye to smudges, haze, and annoying residue. This screen cleaner spray delivers a crystal clear finish that leaves your tech looking like new. It's the perfect solution for all your cleaning needs. You get 2 bottles, the larger one for home or office, and a smaller one for travel or quick touch-ups. This all-in-one cleaning kit goes wherever your tech goes. Each kit includes ultra-soft microfiber cloths, specially designed to lift dust and grime without scratching. It's ideal for use on laptops, tablets, and phones. This isn't just a cloth, it's a precision tool. There are no harsh chemicals in this formula. It's free from alcohol and ammonia, making it the safe choice for cleaning everything. It poses no risk to coatings, finishes, or your hands. What we like. This product is safe for all screens, from glossy iPads to anti-glare MacBooks. It comes in 2 convenient sizes, perfect for home or travel. If you're always on the go and need a reliable cleaner, this is ideal. It's also alcohol-free, ensuring it won't damage your screens or your hands. What people say. Highly recommend. This cleaned my MacBook Air with a few sprays. This is truly the first product I've used that actually works on all of them. It's by far the best cleaning shining product I've ever used, and I highly recommend WHOOSH. Came with cleaning cloths. Number 2. Screen Mom Screen Cleaner Spray and Cloths. This screen cleaner spray and cloth ensures your screens look brand new. The advanced formula leaves no streaks or smudges, enhancing your viewing experience and screen longevity. It works efficiently, leaving no residue behind. The kit includes 2 soft microfiber cloths to protect delicate screens. The cloths glide smoothly, ensuring no scratches or abrasions. It's ideal for all your devices. This cleaner is free from alcohol and ammonia, making it safe for all screens. You can use it confidently on all your electronics. The 2-ounce spray bottle is perfect for on-the-go use. It's easy to keep in your bag or car, so you can keep your screens clear wherever you are. This cleaner works on a wide range of screens, including TVs, laptops, and smartphones. It safely tackles fingerprints and smudges without causing any damage. What we like. This cleaner features a streak-free formula for crystal clear results. It includes 2 microfiber cloths for comprehensive cleaning. If you need a portable solution for on-the-go cleaning, this is perfect. The convenient size makes it easy to keep with you for quick touch-ups. What people say. Simply spray the cloth, then clean your screen. It came with a regular size cloth and a large cloth. Package include 1 large cloth for cleaning and drying and a small one for buffing. Number 1. Altura Photo Screen Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Altura Photo Screen Cleaner Kit. This kit includes a 2-ounce cleaning solution and 2 microfiber cloths. It's perfect for keeping your screen spotless. The cleaning solution is alcohol-free, ammonia-free, and odor-free. The microfiber cloths leave 0 scratches or streaks. This makes it safe for all types of screens. Simply spray the solution onto the cloth and wipe. It's easy to achieve a clean and shiny screen. This is perfect for on-the-go cleaning. This kit is ideal for laptops, computers, car screens, and other electronics. It gently cleans without causing any damage, keeping your devices in top condition. The kit includes 2 magic fiber cloths for a streak-free shine. These reusable and machine-washable cloths provide a cost-effective solution for maintaining screen cleanliness. What we like. This screen cleaner is alcohol-free, ensuring it's safe for all screen types. It's also incredibly easy to use, making your cleaning routine a breeze. If you're looking for a safe and simple solution for your electronics, this is the one. It will leave your screen spotless and streak-free. What people say. The screen cleaner effectively removes fingerprints and smudges. It leaves the screen looking crystal clear. The product is easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.